many things. The file types, the text files, Word files, JPG files, then PNG files, then MP3 files, MP4 files. Many types we have discussed. Can you all remember that? Shinal, can you remember? Chenali, can you remember? Yes, can write. How about you, Chenali? Can you remember the file types?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Kavisha, how about you?
Sir, I didn't came last year.
Good. So you need the lesson, right? Okay. Malisha, how
Yes.
about you? Can you remember the file types? Metuja, can you remember the file types? Okay. Right. Yalinsa, can you remember the file types?
Yes.
I can't hear you properly now. Right, right. I'll take a file now. Now here I am going to use something like what I am going to use. Okay. Right. Here you have, I think you can see my screen now. I'll take Notepad. I'll take Notepad. Okay, here. Can you remember how we have saved the files?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the type of this file? I think I have enabled the chatting. Chat, yes. What is the file type? Just type the file type. Chat के type करना file type पे हम कर देंगे ना मेके. If I have saved this file, what is the file type? What is the file type? So I'm going to take a file like this. What will be the file type? Chat के type करना बार. This is a notepad. So I have showed you how to use the notepad, how to use the word pad, and how you can give the different file format. Many things I have showed you. So what is the type of this file? PDF. Okay. Right. Others, what is the file type of this one? I have mentioned you, I have told you many times, and I have showed you PDF. Okay. Yes, Buddha. Oh, oh. එහෙමද? ඔව්. ඔව් පුළුවන් පුළුවන් මම එහෙම ලෑස්ති කරලා. right. හරි. කමක් නැහැ. මම එහෙම උනොත් එහෙම රෙකෝඩින් එක දෙන්න. Right. Okay. Got this. Right? Word file. Okay. Right. Good. DOCX. Very good. No. When we have saved this one, I'll save this one. I'll show you. Now look here. File. Save as. Okay. So I'm using your folder grade 7, right? Grade 7. I'll take HTML. We'll see. We can give a file name as Word. Okay, file name. No, Yalisa, I'm not asking about the file name. I'm asking about the file type. So here you can see when I have select file save as, what will happen? It is giving the file name and the save type. What is the save type? What is the save type here? What is the save type here?
Document.
Huh? No. What is the files? Now the file type is, what is the file type?
Document.
Document. No.
Text document.
Text document. Text document. You have to tell about that. This is a text document. What is the extension of this one? Asterisk mark dot txt ne? txt. හරිද? ඔන්න ටක් ගාලා මතක් කරගන්න. ටක් ගාලා මතක් කරගන්න. ඔන්න ඔක්කොමලා මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ ආයෙ වරද්ද ගන්න බෑ. So here they have given txt. So when you save the file, what will happen? You can give the file name. Okay, I'll give my first. I'm giving my first dot html. Okay, my first dot txt. So here, what is the save type? What is the file type? File type is txt. txt, normal document. So you can see here, I'm going to give a name now. Clear all the drawings. I'm going to give a name here. I'm going to give my first, and I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save this one. Okay. Now where I have saved? Where I have saved? Anyone observe that? කවුරු හරි කෙනෙක් බලා හිටියද මම කොහෙද save කරුවේ කියලා? කොහෙද save කරුවේ?
Microsoft Word.
No. What is Microsoft Word? Here you have taken notepad. Here you have taken notepad. Right? මෙතන උඩ තියෙන්නේ.
Sir, you saved it as a text document.
Yes, I have saved it as a text document. What I have done? File, save as, right? File, save as. I have select grade 7. නේද? D එක ඇතුලේ. D drive. Last week I have told you, hard disk we have divided into C, D, G. So I am using D drive.
Sir,
Yes.
but in my laptop there is only D drive now.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, Buddha. It doesn't matter. It can be C drive only. It can be D drive only. It doesn't matter. So, however, the hard disk has divided in my computer. It has divided into C, D, and G. So, you are having C drive. That doesn't matter. But you can create folders, right? You can create many folders. So, I am going to use here grade 7 folder. And I am opening that. I am selecting that grade 7 folder and opening. It's like my cupboard. I am going near to my cupboard and I am opening a drawer. මොනහරි තියෙන එක ලාච්චුව කරන එහෙම නැත්නම් I am opening my doors of the cupboard. ඔන්න grade 7 කියන cupboard එක ළඟට ගියා open. Okay, I am going to open it. When I have opened, many files are there. Inside this file I have select html. In html I have saved it as my first text document, right? Text document. Can you all see that? That is a text document. Can you see that? Yes, right? You can see it.
Yes.
Right? What is the
Yes,
format? Yes. What is the format? What is the type? What is the type of that? What is the type?
TXT.
TXT. Very good. It is TXT. So now I am closing this one. Okay. Here I have closed this. Right? Now I am going to my folder. Right? I am going to my folder. Here. What is this folder? File Explorer. Can you see this? File Explorer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
File
Yes,
Explorer
sir.
is there. So I am clicking on File Explorer. When I have clicked on the File Explorer, I can see my C drive, D drive, and G drive. So I am selecting D drive. I am going to grade 7 folder. I am going to HTML. Here I have many files. What is this? Butterfly. So when I have moved onto that, it is not showing the extension. HTML. My first. It is a text document. Okay. Roses. It is what? JPG, right? What is the file type?
JPG file.
JPG file. JPG file. What is the capacity of that file?
40,
What is the capacity?
46.0.
46.0 Yes,
KB.
46.0 KB, right? Very good. What is the name of this one? What is the name of this file? This one?
DPG file.
Rows. Rows 1. What is the name of this file? Rows 1. What is the file type? What is the file type?
JPG file.
JPG file.
DPG file.
What is the capacity?
56.0 KB.
Very good,
56.0
Puta.
KB.
Very good, very good. What is the file of this one?
It's a JPG file.
JPG file. What is the
JPG
capacity
file.
of this one?
909 KB.
Right, good, good. Now I am double clicking on this one. First, double click. Now you can see your text file, right? Your text file is there. Now look, Puta, what I am going to do. What I am going to do here. File. I am selecting save as. And I am giving my first. I am changing this one. Dot html. Okay. I have given my first html and save. Okay. My first html and I have saved it. Now I'll go to that my folder. I'll go to my folder. Right. So here you have this one. Yeah, 7:30 we are finishing. Right. Now I am going to use now can you see the difference between these two files? My first, right?
Yes.
Same name.
Yes, sir, I didn't understand it. No, sir.
Yes. Now only I'm going to tell Kuda. Now look here. Now earlier I had the file this one. Okay. Right? This one.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now when I move to this one, what is the file type?
Text document.
Text document.
Document.
Text document.
Document.
What is the type of that file? Type txt, right?
Text
Yeah.
document.
Yeah. This is a text document.
Document.
Yes. What is the extension that we have given? Extension Viv file extension. Can you remember last week we have done this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the file?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the file type now? Text document. What is the extension?
Yes,
txt, right?
TXT.
Yes. Now what is this file?
Means text.
Yes. What is this file? The same file,
My
neither.
first dot. The same file.
The same file. What is the extension? What is the
The name.
HTML.
HTML?
HTML.
Yes. Now I am going to double click.
HTML.
Yes. Now I am going to double click on this one. Double click. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I have opened that file with notepad. Neither. I have opened that file with notepad. I have opened that file with notepad. Here, double click. I have opened with that file with what is the software?
Notepad.
Notepad. ඔක්කොමලට මේක තේරෙනවා නැති නේද? එකම නමින්
Yes,
right.
sir.
එකම නමින් මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? We have given the same name but the extension is different නේද? But the extension is different, right? Can you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
What is this? File name extension. What is this? File
Name extension.
file name extension. Tell it louder.
Sir.
File
name
name
extension.
Right, very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
When we take a Word document, we have to, when we are going to save it, there are some options like Word macro,
Yes.
enable document,
Yes.
like that. No,
Yeah.
we should download that apps when we are going to save in those.
Yes. Yes, you have to use that. Like now, think when you are using MS Word, right? You can save it with .docx, right? If you have saved
Yes.
with the same docx format, you can open it up with MS Word and you can do the modification. In the same place, Puta, there are some option called PDF, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
you have saved with PDF, then it will save it with some image. එක image එකක් වගේ. Again you can't open it with Word. Okay, you can't do modification
Okay,
if
sir.
you don't have that feature. ඒ feature එක නැත්නම් ඔයාට open කරගන්න බෑ. PDF කිව්වොත් ඒක මොන හරි reader එකකින් තමයි open වෙන්නේ. reader එකකින් තමයි open වෙන්නේ. I'll show you that, right? දැනට මේක මතක
Okay.
තියාගන්න. Now you all look here. Now we are having butterfly.jpg, myfirst.html, myfirst.txt, rows.jpg, rows1.jpg. Now I am going to take another text file. Right click here, right click on the HTML. Okay, I am selecting new. From here I am selecting a text file. Now I am going to give the name my first. Can I give the same name?
No.
Cancel.
Can give, right? Can give. Now you can see with the same name, myfirst.txt, myfirst.txt. Now I am going to enter. Right. Now I have entered. What is the message? Can someone read this one?
Do you want to rename new text document .txt to my first .txt? There is already a file with the same name in this location.
Yes. The box no.
Right. Can you save the file with same name?
Cancel.
Can't.
Cancel.
If we can, if we want, can we can dismiss.
Right. Can, no, can't.
Cancel.
Can't.
We can do both.
Now here you can see I have given the same file format. myfirst.txt I have already given. Now I am going to give the same name for that file in the same folder. HTML එක ඇතුළේම you can see here D drive එකේ grade 7 එකේ HTML කියන folder එක ඇතුළේ තමයි මේ files ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ. හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්නවනේ මම කියන දේ. Right? Now think about this. We are having all the files within the HTML folder. මගේ cupboard එක ඇතුලේ මේ files ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ. Now I have given the same name, myfirst.html, myfirst.txt. Two different file formats, HTML file format, TXT file format. Now I am going to give the same name and the same type. Okay, same name and the same type. Can we give? No, we can't. Look here what they have given. There is already a file with the same name in this location. මේ HTML කියන ෆෝල්ඩර් එක ඇතුලේ මේ නමම තියෙන මේ ටයිප් එකම තියෙන ෆයිල් එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? There is already a file with the same name in this location. Do you want to rename? මේ නම තියෙන එකක් දෙන්න බෑ අපහු. Same name එකෙන් same type එකෙන් දෙන්න බෑ. If you have given here, do you want to rename the next new text document txt to my first 2.txt? Yes. Now what will happen? It is saved with my first 2. Can you give the same name in the same location? Can you give the same name in the same location?
Can't.
Can't. Then
Can't.
right. Then තේරුණාද ඇයි කියලා?
Yes.
No, you
Yeah.
can't use the same name. You can't use the same name with the same data type. නේද? txt කියන එකත් එක්කලම වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? මම කියන එක තේරෙනවද?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now there can be two files, two different files with the same name. There can be within the HTML folder. මේ HTML කියන folder එක ඇතුලේ. මේ බලන්න grade 7 කියන එකට ගියාම grade 7 එක ඇතුලේ folders කිහිපයක් තියෙනවා නේද? නේද? මේ ලොකු window එකට මොකද්ද කියපු නම? What is the name that we have given for this big window? මේ window එකට දීපු නම මොකද්ද? What is the name? File Explorer. File Explorer. Can you remember? ඔන්න මම close කරනවා. මේ ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. Right, now I am going here. When I am going to this folder, What is the name of this one? File
File
Explorer.
Explorer.
When I go to File Explorer, I can go to my hard disk. This is my hard disk. I'm going to D drive and I'm going to grade 7 and I'm going to HTML folder. Inside the HTML folder, we are having these files. මෙන්න මේ files ටික තියෙනවා. Think. ඔයාට ඔයාගේ files ටික save කරන්න වෙනම folder එකක් තියෙනවා. So you can remember the path where you have saved. So I have something called grade 7 folder. Inside that grade 7 folder, I have saved all the files. I have saved all the files. So I have the files butterfly.jpg, myfirst.html, myfirst.txt, rose.jpg, roses1.jpg, same name name, right? Same name name, jpg, same type, same name name. Metana rose, metana rose1. Then metana myfirst.txt, myfirst.html. Two different files with the same name. Two different files with the same name can be there. But with the same type. අපි මොකද කරන්න ගියේ? අපි select කරුවා new word file එකක් දුන්නා. මොකද්ද නම දුන්නේ? myfirst.txt. මෙතනත් තියෙන්නේ myfirst.txt, මෙතනත් තියෙන්නේ myfirst.txt. මම දැන් මෙයාට ක්ලික් කරන්න ගියාම එයා හදන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ ෆයිල් එක. It is not allowing me to create the same name with the same type. They are asking me file එක දැනට තියෙනවා. There is already a file with the same name in this location. So we are not allowing. Neither operating system එක කියනවා, Windows කියන operating system එක කියනවා, we can't allow you to create the
ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට එකාගේ name එක තියෙන file එකක් හදන්න බැරි මේ ඒ file එක තියෙන location එකේ විතරයිනේ වෙන
විතරයි.
තැනක ඕන හදන්න පුළුවන්.
පුළුවන් වෙන තැනක හදන්න පුළුවන්. මේ තැන විතරයි හදන්න බැරි. හරිද? මෙතන විතරයි හදන්න බැරි. මම දෙනවා දැන් no කියලා දෙනවා. ඔන්න එතකොට යාගේ ෆයිල් එක හදාගත්ත new text document. මම දැන් grade 7 එක ඇතුළට ගිහලා ෆයිල් එකක් හැදුවොත් එහෙම my first හදන්න දෙනවද? මෙතන දෙනවද my first කියන එක හදන්න? .txt.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes,
හදන්න දෙනවා.
sir.
හදන්න දෙනවා. Yes, very good. අර same location එකේ same file name එකෙන් same type එකෙන් same file name එකෙන් same type එකෙන් තමයි හදන්න දෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. ඔන්න හොඳට ඔලුවට ගත්තා. දැන් ඔන්න මගේ HTML file එක තිබුණානේ පුතා. මම මෙතන double click කරපුවා ඔන්න මගේ text file එක open වුණා. notepad එකේ මේ notepad එකේ. මේකේ තියෙනවා මොනවාද buttons? minimize button එක තියෙනවා. maximize button එක තියෙනවා. close button එක තියෙනවා. Can you understand? What are the buttons available?
Yes, sir.
Minimize,
Maximize,
and
close.
When I click on like bigger, what will happen? What is the button of this?
Maximize.
Yes, this is we are calling as. Now what is the button?
Maximize.
Restore.
The button is
Restore. When I click, it will come to the same size. When I click on maximize, what will happen? It will
be larger.
large. Resize
Will be
and it will
larger.
be, yeah, it will be fit onto the window. Fit වෙනවා window එකටම නේද? Now you are having what? What are the buttons you are having? Minimize,
Maximize and
maximize,
close.
close and restore.
and
Restore. Right? Can you understand that?
Yes sir.
yes sir.
How many
Yes,
buttons
sir.
are there then? How many buttons are there? How many control buttons are
Excuse
there?
me sir.
3 buttons.
Buttons.
4 buttons,
3
right?
buttons.
4 buttons.
Four buttons.
Minimize, maximize, and restore and close. Can you understand? Minimize, maximize, close, and when I have click on this one, it will enlarge, fit onto the window. Now you can see here you are having the restore button. How many buttons are there?
Four.
4 buttons are there.
Four buttons.
ඔන්න
Four
හොඳම.
buttons.
Very good. Very good. Now what I am going to do, මේ බලන්න. මේක HTML කියලා තියෙන්නේ. HTML කියලා කියන්නේ පුතා ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකට සපෝට් කරන එකක්. මේ බලන්න open with මම දෙනවා Google Chrome. Now can you see my first web, right? ඔන්න මගේ my first HTML කියන document එක open වුණා. මේක මොකද්ද? Google එකේ නේද? My first web page. ඔන්න මගේ web page එකක් මම හැදුවා. නේද? මෙතන මේ page එකක් තියෙනවා වගේ මෙතනත් මම internet එකේ web page එකක් හැදුවා දැන්. දැන් මම මොකද කරන්නේ? What I can do? I'll minimize this one, right? I'll go to my Word file. මම මේ copy කරගන්නවා headings ටික. මේ බලන්න copy කරගන්නවා මම. Right click, copy. Right, I am going to the notepad. So we'll see. Yeah, this is my notepad file. I'll open. මම මෙතන මේට එක copy කරන්න. Right, now we'll see what is happening. File, save, file, save. I'll go to my internet page, right click, open with Google Chrome. Now you can see different types of headings are there. Different types of headings are there. Right, now with the same thing neda mama yanne kotanada me file එක ඇතුළෙම යන්නේ. Right, ඔන්න මම ආපහු double click කරනවා. මම මෙතන දෙනවා. Okay, so I'm giving here body. I'll teach you this one also. BG color equal, I'm giving here yellow. Right, BG color equal yellow. BG color means background color. So I'm saving file, save, right, file, save. I'll go to my page. Where's my page? So here I have my page, Google Chrome. I'm going here and refresh. Now you can see it has applied yellow color to the background. කාගේ හරි අතින් පුතා ඉරක් ඇඳෙනවා.
Excuse me, can you repeat again?
Yes, I'll repeat it again. Right, I'll repeat it again. I'll give this one to you all. Make mama denna ogolanta. I'm going to teach you this. Okay, right. All right. Disable this one. Okay. Right, now I have given like this. Now again we'll see what will happen. So I have a question. So in my computer keyboard normally there's an orange color light turning on. These days it is not turning on. Can you say that reason? Puta, it's a laptop computer or desktop computer? Kavisha?
desktop computer sir.
Desktop computer. So you can see like red color or yellow color one, orange color one.
Orange.
Right, it is normally the hard disk. It will blink neither. මොන
Yes,
වගේද
sir.
light ද දන්නේ පුතා ඔකට දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Different types of lights, like they are when they are building up they are putting different kind of bulbs. Blue color one is there, red color one is there. Normally boot, when you consider like blue color, so it is switching on the computer. When you see the red color, it can be it can be read in the hard disk. If you are having something wrong with this hard disk, it will blink or stuck.
Okay, sir.
පත් වෙලාම තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. So I don't know the how it is, and it has assemble. So because of that I can't tell. Now you, if you can record a small video and just give it, then I'll check and let you know. Okay. Right, okay, now we'll go
Okay,
here.
sir.
Okay, now here we have done some modification to this one. Okay, background color I have changed. Now I am giving here h1 page. I'll give something like this. I am typing here within the greater than mark q. Then I'll type something like this. I'll type my name, Sumeda Apuhami. Then I am closing mark q. Okay. Then I'm file save. Then I'll minimize this one and I'll go to this and I'll refresh. Can you see? Small text is moving. Small text, no? No, I don't want small text. So what I can do, I'll make it bigger. How I can make it bigger? I'll give here, I'll give something like font. Font, have you heard about font? Yes, you have a font, heard about the font. So I'm giving font size equal, I'll give +5, bigger size. Then I'll close from here. Font.
So then if we don't save it in a computer, we do not get it in the uh,
If
in
you are
the
not,
app we are opening.
yes, yes, that's what I want to tell. Now I have saved this one with my first.html in Notepad. I have opened this Notepad file with what? Google Chrome, neither. Now it is supporting to the internet. Now look here. Uh, it is bigger, neither. It is bigger, right? I want this one. Okay, moved a little bit fast. So I'll take the say take something called scroll amount. I'll copy this one. I'll go here. හොඳට බලාගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ මේ කරන දේවල් ටික. Right? මම මේ දේවල් ටික ඔයගලන්ට දෙනවා. Right? I'll give 20 or something. File save. Then after I saved, I'm going to this one and click on this. It is go like a little bit fast. I want more fast. Right? I want to make it fast. So I'm giving scroll amount. I'll give behalf of this one, I'll give 100. It will be faster, right? So I'll go to my Google Chrome and make it fast. So you can see it's going very fast. Yes, right? It is too fast, no? So I'll make it a little bit slower. I'll make it like 20. I have given 30. Right? මේක නිකන් පොඩි මේ පින්තූරයක් නැතුව චුට්ටක් අමාරුයි වගේ. I'll give something like this. IMG SRC equal. You have seen some photos, neither. I'll go to the photos here. Inside D, what is this? D drive grade 7 HTML. So I'm taking a copy of this one. I'm taking a copy of this one. I'm going here and I'm giving the path, the location. Neither on a location copy / I'll give rows.jpg. I think you can remember that file name, rows.jpg. I'll save file save. So we'll see what will happen. I'll go to here and make it like this. It's not showing, right? So here you can see the small icon is displaying, but it's not showing. We'll see why. බලමු මේක පෙන්වන්න නැත්තේ කියලා. Give SRC IMG SRC D rows. This is stored in here. So we'll see. .jpg. Give. Right, we'll see. File save. Here. Now you can see the roses are there. Roses are there. Right, it's supporting now. Now what I want to take this one center. So I'm taking it to center. Another 2 minutes time. Then I'm closing this center. Right? Center. Okay. File save. I'm giving that. Yes. I'm giving that. I'm giving that command here. It is making. It is displaying here. No. It will be center. So if I want to take my first page to center, what I am doing, I'm going here, and here you can see H1, right? So here also I can use center, right? And I'm closing this.
So, sir, when we save it and add to Google Chrome, can anyone see it when we save it?
No, it is in my computer. If you want to put it to the internet, you have to pay and you have to take some space from the internet. Okay, I'll teach one by one. Okay, now I have put the heading center, and I have given a paragraph. I have given some headings. I have inserted an image. I am moving a text here. I want to give a line. line I'm going here, and I'm using something called I'm using something called here HR. So I have given HR, and here I'll just use bold, and I'm closing here B, so that is bold, right? So I'm saving file save. I'm minimizing this. Before closing this one, I'll refresh. I think you all can see now I have given a line, and I have bold this one. It's wrong, not bold. We have to underline, so you have to use U. Okay, you have to use U. Here you have used B. B for bold. It is already bold. If I have used U, what will happen? This word will be underlined. File, save. We'll see whether we are having enough time. Yes, I think. Right. Here you can see it has underlined. Okay, now you are having the web page here. So this is a simple web page. You can develop these things.